and wish you all a very happy new year. Let's hope and pray that this year brings us lots of peace and happiness. Winter means cold, colorful sweaters, blankets and warmness. And in this scenario, how about a bowl full of warm soup? Now soup has its origin in the traditional French cuisine which dates back thousands of years ago. The French word soup came from the Latin word sopa, meaning bread soaked in stew or broth. Now much influenced by the culinary culture of the neighboring country, Spain has created its own sopa de ajo or Spanish garlic soup, which clearly justifies the denotation of Latin sopa.
So let's start making Spanish garlic soup. Despite of the name garlic soup, actually this is more of a bread and garlic soup. Therefore I have taken around 5 regular sliced bread, have carefully removed the sides and then chopped it into small bite-sized pieces. We need to prepare the croutons, so for that you can either fry the bread until it is brown in color, but I personally prefer the microwave oven method. So for that I have taken here the baking tray and covering it with foil sheet. Once done, add the bread pieces. In the original recipe, olive oil is used to make the croutons, but since I want to make this recipe with ingredients that are easily available at home, therefore drizzling some white oil, you can also use melted butter if you want, and gently churn the bread cubes. In a preheated oven, bake it at 190 degrees Celsius on convection mode for around 10 to 12 minutes. So my croutons are ready. If you want to make these less brown, then slightly reduce the baking time. Heating some white oil in a pan, but if you have olive oil at home, go ahead with it. As the name suggests, garlic soup, thus adding generous amount of chopped garlic and fry it till the aroma comes out. But remember not to over fry it and make it brown. Now in the meantime I have boiled some chicken with salt and enough amount of water so that later I can use the chicken stock. My stock is ready, so I have kept it aside and have shredded the chicken pieces. After a minute of frying the garlic, adding the shredded chicken and fry the chicken pieces on medium flame for around 4 to 5 minutes. The traditional Spanish recipe involves the use of paprika powder, but since that is not easily available every time, therefore I am using here 1 teaspoon red chili powder and the quantity is as per your preference. Mix and fry it for a minute. Now adding the priorly prepared bread croutons. Now adding the chicken stock, and this quantity will depend on the number of people you are going to serve. Gently stir and mix the ingredients well. Add some salt to taste. Instead of fresh Italian parsley, I am adding here a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Carefully mix the coriander leaves, as by now the bread croutons have become soft. Now carefully adding 3 eggs on top. This is again based on the number of people you are going to serve. Now simmer the gas and cover and cook until the poach is ready. The poach is ready, and here presenting a bowl of warm, tasty Spanish garlic soup. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.